Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, then feel free to subscribe for more videos. I am now making more luxury videos, hair videos, things like that. My goal is to be more persistent with YouTube now. So subscribe and hit that notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you'll know. I'm starting to have a resolution of uploading a new video at least once a week. So that is my goal. Today I am going to be talking about the Gucci Angelina platform sandals more in depth. If you haven't already watched my birthday luxury unboxing haul, then go to my channel and check that out so you can see the luxury items I bought. One of the items are these Gucci sandals, and I wanted to go more in depth about it because in the unboxing I love them and I still love them, but there are flaws to them. And for a shoe that's $700, I want to give you all the details so that you can determine if you want to splurge or not. So stay tuned to hear my thoughts. Okay, so I wore these platform sandals for the first time today going to brunch, and keep in mind I wasn't walking a lot. I just walked from the parking lot to the place, which was, you know, not far at all. And I would say that it was a little bit cumbersome. And when I say cumbersome, I mean that as I was walking, they just felt weird. Because obviously they're a platform and they have weight to them. Some people say they are extremely heavy, which to me, they're not insanely heavy, but they do hold some weight to where when you walk, they kind of like feel weird. Basically, you can feel the weight when you walk. So if you're going on vacation somewhere or an amusement park with your kids or something that requires you to walk around all day like a zoo or something, don't wear these. Don't wear these. Now, what I do like about the shoe is that they're comfortable in terms of the footbed. So they have a nice, well-made cushion on the footbed, so they don't hurt the bottom of your feet, but the top of my feet start to hurt. And I don't know if it's because of the band. So let me take it off and show you. So basically, this part starts to bother my foot. So like on the footbed, I have no problems with it. It's comfortable. But as I started walking more, this part up here started bothering my foot. And now that I take it off, I can see an imprint where this part left on my foot. It's not painful. It's slightly uncomfortable. And if I would have walked all day in these, then it probably would have become uncomfortable. Now, in terms of right here, the front, I didn't have any scratching or rubbing, which is good because there have been some luxury shoes like those Valentino bow slides, flip-flops. Those rubbed on my toes and I had to sell them because I just could not. But yeah. They're so cute though. They're so cute. Besides that part bothering my foot and them feeling very heavy when I walk, those are the only cons. Now they're gorgeous shoes and I wore them with some black denim. So the look was a look, let me tell you. Now to me, I think the most important thing to me is the cushion on my footbed. And that was comfortable. So I think if I just wear these to go to dinner and not walk around much, I could deal with them. But some of you all, that might be a deal breaker. So I would rank this shoe probably like a 7 out of 10, to be honest. And the only reason why they are ranked that high is because they are so cute. They'll go with everything. I'm wearing black denim. They'll go with black leggings. They'll go with all white. They'll go with cream. they'll go with anything. And I love platforms. I've been rocking platforms before the trend came about. So I like the aesthetic of it. I like the quality of it in terms of how it's built and the quality. So I will keep them, and I do still recommend them. But if you're one of those type of people that when you want to have a sandal that you can walk around with, which I don't think any platform sandal would be feasible for that. So whether it's a cheap platform sandal, I don't think that it will be practical for you to walk in them. Because just how platform sandals are with the thick sole and the weight and all that other stuff, you know, I don't think any platform sandal, cheap or expensive, would be suitable for a walk. But if you want to wear them for style, to go to dinner, to go to events, wherever, then I think these are suitable for you. So those are my final thoughts and honest opinions about them. And in terms of sizing, they are true to size. Do not go up a size, otherwise they'll be super big. Unless you have a wide foot. If you have a wide foot, then you need to go up a half size or whole size, depending on how wide it is. But if you have regular width to slightly narrow, stick with your true size. I'm a size 40 in all of my luxury shoes, European sizes, and I got that and they fit perfect. Any bigger, they would have been sliding off my feet. Now, if you have very, very, very narrow feet, don't get these. They'll just feel very weird. But if you're only slightly narrow, you can still get by with these. I paired the slides with this Zara top and these black denim shorts. Nice, simple look. I just came from brunch, so that is the look. So I hope you all enjoyed this review and this little snippet on how I styled them, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.